to do a 3-strand Dutch braid as well as a no heat style, please keep watching. I washed my hair and let it sit in a towel for about half an hour. So you want your hair to be a little bit dry and a little bit wet to do this style. This is the brush I'm using. It's called the wet brush, and it's good to use while your hair is wet. It helps detangle your hair without breaking it. You can also use this while your hair is dry too. And I'm going to section my hair in half. So you get a comb and you part your hair in the middle, equal parts. Make sure you part it all the way at the back. You grab a clip and you just section away half of the hair. So now we're gonna work on this side first. Just brush your hair, make sure there's no tangles. I'm going to use this oil called Babyless Argan Oil. So usually I just put a little bit on the tips of my fingers, rub it on, and just put it all over. This will help soften your hair, smooth your hair, and your hair will be less frizzy. You can do this while your hair is dry too. I normally do this all the time. Makes my hair look really shiny and feel really soft. To start off a 3-strand braid, section out a triangle. So now section the hair out in 3s. So I have 3 sections. I have a top section, middle section, bottom section. Now we're gonna do a regular 3-strand braid. So we're gonna start with the bottom section, and we're going to bring it under the middle section. So now the bottom section is the middle section, and the middle section is the bottom section. Next, we're going to take the top section and bring it underneath the middle section. So now, the top section is the middle section, and the middle section is the top section. So that's a regular 3-strand braid. Next, we're going to grab hair and add it into the sections. So take the bottom section, grab hair and add it into the bottom section. And then take the bottom section and bring it underneath the middle section. Next, we're going to take the top section and grab hair and add it into the top section. Now we're going to take the top section, bring it underneath the middle section. So you have the start of a Dutch braid. Next is the bottom section again. Grab a section of hair and add it underneath the middle section. Again, take the top section, add hair, and add it underneath the middle section. So you're doing Dutch braid all the way down to the ends of your hair. So you just have to keep repeating. So again, take the bottom section, add hair, and then bring it underneath the middle section. Again, take the top section, add hair, and then bring it underneath the middle section. Keep doing that over and over again. So take the bottom section, add hair, bring it underneath the middle section. again, take the top section, add hair, make sure it's not tangled. And then add the top section underneath the middle section. So you just keep going and going as you are reaching the end of your hair. I'm taking big sections because my hair is really thick. So again, take the bottom section, grab hair, bring it underneath the middle section. Once I grabbed everything, I just do regular 3-strand braid. So it's the same thing. Take the top section, bring it underneath the middle section, take the bottom section, bring it underneath the middle section. And then you get a 3-strand braid. I'm going to leave this out because I want it straight at the end so it looks more like a natural beachy wave. And then I'm just going to tie it. You can tie it with an elastic band or a hair tie. This is all I have right now. I ran out of elastics. So one side's done. Next is this side. So we just gotta brush it again. And then I'm going to add my argan oil. Brush it one more time. Same thing that we did on the other side. You take the tip of your finger, section a triangle. And then do another 3-strand braid. So this is the top section, middle section, bottom section. We're gonna take the bottom section, put it underneath the middle section. And then we're gonna take the top section, bring it underneath the middle section. Okay, so that's a regular 3-strand braid. Next, we're gonna take the bottom section, add hair, and then bring it underneath the middle section. Then take the top section, grab hair, then bring it underneath the middle section. Again, take the bottom section, grab hair, and bring it underneath the middle section. And then top section, grab hair, then bring it underneath the middle section. Bottom section, grab hair, bring it underneath the middle section. Top section, grab hair, bring it underneath the middle section. Again, bottom section, grab hair, bring it underneath the middle section. Top section, grab hair, bring it underneath the middle section. And you just keep going again and again all the way to the bottom. And then you do a regular 3-strand braid all the way to the ends. I'm gonna leave this part straight, then just tie your hair again. Now this is a Dutch braid. So this is a good hairstyle to have throughout the whole day. And then also when your hair dries, you can take out the braids and then you'll have another hairstyle which will be nice waves. So I'm gonna leave it on for the whole entire day, and then tomorrow morning I'll take it out and I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. Okay, this is my hair the next day. I always move around a lot in bed, so it's pretty messy. Let's see how it's gonna look. So you just have to take out the hair ties. take out all the braids. My hair is very thick, so this is gonna look super big. So this is what it's gonna look like. And you take it out. For some people it'll look a little bit less poofy, but for me it's thick, so it's gonna look huge. So I put this oil on again. I'm just adding the oil onto the frizziness, all that stuff that was sticking out. So next is Olaplex number 6, and this is a leave-in styling product. I normally put this on my hair when it's dry. Good. Keeps your hair healthy. So I'm gonna comb through it with my fingers just a little bit. It's up to you how you want your curls to look. You just gotta keep playing around with it. But here it is, my waves. So you can also part it to the side. But I like it in the middle for me because my hair is too thick. There it is, wavy hair with no heat. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment down below, share the video. I'm new at this, so I want to know what you guys would want to see me do, whether it has to do with hair, fitness, anything. I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe.